so we can open up this box. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakeedah. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Now, we just need to hurry up because I am so excited about this unboxing because I'm curious. I'm curious to see what it looks like in person. So we have two things to unbox. Now both of these unboxings, oh, what'd I do? I don't know. But both of these unboxings were, my friends made me do it. My friends made me do it. So I saw this on my friend Candy's Sweet Love for LV. Candy had unboxed this. It's her fault. I spent all this money. It's her fault. Okay. So this was influenced. She influenced me. This unboxing is going to be influenced by Candy. And then, well, we'll talk about what I'm excited. This is not what I'm excited. I know you like, girl, if you're excited, why don't you open the one you're excited for first? Hold on now. When I open it, you'll understand. But this one, this unboxings, we have two. This unboxing was inspired by my friend Candy. I will link her channel down below. Go follow my friend if you're not already. Alright? And nothing in there but the receipt, child. Nothing in there but the receipt. And I don't want to be mad, so I'm not going to look at it. Okay. So let's get her unboxed. Alright. Oh, not them still giving out Kusama paper. Okay. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Alright, alright. So I got the, what's this thing called? Child, what's this thing called? I don't even know what it's called. What is it called? Is it the everyday hat? Probably not. Probably not. But I saw her unbox this. Had I seen it before? I don't know. I think I saw it before on the website. But I've already had this one, black. I was like, okay, I'm good. But then I saw the monogram visor. And I was like, well, maybe I'm not good. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I need another one. So I got another one. Even though, because I think this hat is $7.95. If I'm not mistaken. And in a normal world, okay, in a normal world that I probably need to be in, okay, $7.95, $800 for a hat is ridiculous, right? However, okay, in Rakeedah's world, because I like a good old baseball cap and bucket hat, child. I like a good old baseball cap and bucket hat, and I like to buy Louis Vuitton hats. One, because I'm a Louis Vuitton girl. And then the second reason for when I wear my natural hair, I like that the Louis Vuitton caps have silk lining. Okay, so then that way when I'm wearing my natural hair like I am so and my Louis Vuitton, okay, my hair is protected. You know what I mean? So because like when I work out in Nike caps, or like even when I'm just like wearing Nike caps or Adidas caps that don't have silver linings, I still have to put a scarf or a bandeau, not like a Louis Vuitton bandeau, I mean like okay, like a silk scarf underneath, because I want to protect my natural hair. Okay, now if I got on a wig, child, okay, but when I'm wearing my natural hair, I like headgear that have a silk lining so my locks is protected, okay, because they're a lot of work. Their locks is a lot of work, but I still like to protect it because I love them. So I got this. Now here's the unboxing that I'm really here for, okay? The cap was cute and it was nice and I was here for it, okay? But I'm really here for this. I'm so excited. Okay, so as I open it, child, do I not bring nothing to open it with? No. My productions, it just be ridiculous. Okay, so as I'm opening it, if it's not too loud, well, you know it's gonna be loud, Rakeedah. Just okay. So this was inspired by my boo thing, my friend Jean Totes. So if you not subscribed to Gene, please do so. I will also link his channel below. He did a video on this bag. He owns this bag, but in a different color, and I was like, wait a minute, I want one. I wanted one, right? But then it slipped my mind a little bit, just a little bit, and then the new version in red came out, and I was like, well, wait a minute, Cletus, wait a minute. So I was like, I want a new one, but I wanted an excellent condition vintage one, or vintagey. Is that a word? No, that's not a word. But okay, let me open the box. Now, I got it from Fashion File, okay, and I didn't open it. One, because whenever something comes pre-love, which I just typically buy from Fashion File, I need to open it up on camera, just in case it's not as described. They can't be like, well, maybe you didn't. No, I didn't. Look at the film. No, I didn't. Okay. So, let me open. What? Here we go. Alright. Can you see it? Alright. Like I said, it is from Fashion File. Alright. It says thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Alright. Okay, so that was just pretty paper. Alright. And then that's what we got. Alright. Please be like it said it was described as. Alright. Now, I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna throw this away. Okay. Why am I nervous? Why? Because if it's not in excellent condition, guess where she going? Back to Fashion File. So chill out, Rakeedah. Alright, you right. Hold on. Alright, so let's open her up. I took the wrapping off. It is in I know, wait, side note. Because I've been just throwing stuff on the floor. I know my husband, like, I can't wait till your leg heals so I can stop cleaning up after you. He right. Okay. So it's in a Fashion File dust bag. Now, I don't remember if it said it came with a dust bag, but like I said, it's a vintage-ish piece. So I don't expect it to come with a dust bag. Y'all, wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute, oh my god, okay, wait a minute, yo, look at this, okay, this is an Alma, is it the GM or the PM size, hold on, in the MM size. Okay, that makes sense. Alright. Oh, look at this berry color. Oh my god. Okay, what did it come with? So it is the Louis Vuitton Epi Alma MM and Fuchsia. Oh, it do come with it. So it comes with a dust bag. I knew it come with the clochette, lock, and 2 keys. With this silver hardware. Oh my god. Now, it did say excellent condition when it was on the side. Listen, I'm sorry. Hold on now. I got to look. Oh, my God. It so far, it looks like it is in excellent condition. Oh, no scratches. Oh, no. Hold on, let me open it. Now, if the interior hurt my feelings, I don't know, I'm arguing with somebody at Fashion File. Let me take it out. Okay, they got it stuffed. Y'all, look at this. When I tell you this was a find, okay, where is this made at? This was made, hold on, I can't see. This was made in the USA, okay? Look at the interior. The interior is this microfiber lining, the same color as the exterior. Oh, let me see the feet. No scratches on the feet? How you don't got no scratches on the feet? Oh my God, this was in excellent condition. Whoever owned this bag, they ain't use it. They ain't use it. It sat on somebody's shelf. Okay? And they just stared at it until they decided they wanted to sell it to Fashion Val. You can't tell me otherwise. You can't. This thing, I did that. I did that. I mean, I ain't do nothing but click, stalk the site, and shop. But still, that took endurance, perseverance. That's all I got. That's really all. Okay, good people, that is it. Those are my 2 unboxings that was inspired by my friends and fellow luxury YouTubers. The cap, again, was inspired by Candy. I saw her unboxing. And then this Alma by my friend Gene. I saw, not his unboxing, but he did a review on his bag. And his beautiful orange was like, it started it. It started the hunt. So if you haven't seen either one of those videos, I will link them in my description box. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me on the daily. I am on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Rakeedah's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the... What was this one? What is this? Like, what was this? Like, I feel like that's something the talk show game host. Okay, anyway. But I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.